miss you guys so much. I really do. Stop cussing me off. I can explain. So I'm telling her what I've been up to. Because the girl never did an idler time. The girl was working. I mean, when I gotta be proud of it. Yo, I'm nervous, you know? I've been gone for a week and a couple days because I'm in a new project. When you soon see it, I cannot say much about it now, but I have some behind the scenes and I'm not gonna be able to get it until the project drop. So until it drop, then you guys will see when we did really do. So we went away for a couple of days, not out of the country, but we went away for a couple of days to get some work done, and I wanted to dedicate my time to that. I came home last night and I didn't get nothing done. We just come in, put on the suitcase, them nothing to pack out. I'm not too long wake up, I'm hungry. Let's get right into it. Nothing if I not eat some food. I'm really hungry. How are they, sir? Yeah. We left this in America where I remember it, you know? I did have the green plant in here before we go away. But they put it in the fridge because I never want it for ripe. So, still good. So I go. I go fry it. So I'm going to do green fried crushed plantain. Side name? That I'm going to do. But what I'm going to do, I have 2 eggs. Okay. Can scramble some egg. I have 2 left back. Good. I may alone eat egg in here. Because Jason I eat egg. Can I see me properly? Okay, great. Alright. They sound good. Wait, why do I want you to shake? Hello? Alright. You like it good. What are we going to do for dinner though? Alright. We'll figure it out. We need to go to the supermarket early tomorrow morning. Oh, wait. Too much. So when I go peel on a green plantain, on a green banana, put some oil on the pan, so it not stain up. Okay? Can't say I never teach you nothing. I know I hate the big knife. So I go. Yeah. I only need this 4. I'm turning back. I called Jason.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, alright?
Yeah, me good.
Okay. Remember something them here?
Yeah.
And if you can get some ackee, so get roast breadfruit ackee. And if you see pear, you can get 1 pear.
Yeah, man. No swap stuff exactly.
finished fry the plantain them, and now it's time to work on. You know, I'm not gonna do the two of them egg here, I only gonna do one. Even though I scramble, I still do one. So I'm gonna leave back the one where I shake. I don't want to find out if it's good or not. And then we already have sausage, so this is enough. If it's good. You know, so I'm an idiot. So I'm not gonna mix the sausage and the egg together right now. I'm gonna make the sausage fry. Hey, by the time my breakfast is done, I eat off them. Tastes good. I wait for the breakfast now. The egg do it for do and the water a boil. Well, you know, so boil it. We need to return some missed call. So the best part is we never mix up back the clothes, and so everything went in the suitcase clean. And just like that, everything is back in place. Oh, I never nothing hard though. You can call it something, just fresh up the place because we did clean before we go, but certain stuff was out of place. The floor did one mop, the dresser did one little dusting down, and just one or two things did there for do. Anyways, I'm gonna see if I can get some rest because I take one pill and it make me sleepy. And other than that, I did want to sleep even before I take the pill. So I'm gonna see if I can get some sleep. Plus, it's raining. So now the perfect time for sleep. Jason will reach home. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can sleep. Hopefully, Jason get the ackee and the breadfruit because I eat my plan for cook for dinner. If not, I figure just get up and whip up something real quick. Hey, babe. So I'm gonna eat my dinner now and end off the vlog. I could have shown you when I do this, but I go sleep and wake up. I just wake up, just feel droopy and all of that. But yeah, I wake up and make dinner. And Jason carrying a bag of orange. Love that. I'm gonna taste it. I don't know if it's sweet or not yet, but thanks, babe. So yeah, I'm gonna eat my dinner now and then bed and start edit the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vloggy vlog. If you know, you know. Well, not the bra. Sorry. I had to get comfy. But yeah, bye beautiful people. I hope you enjoyed this little vloggy vlog.